Nucypher is a cryptographic system that gives a security and protection layer for decentralized applications and public blockchain networks. Nucypher empowers designers to store, share, and oversee private information across numerous blockchains while allowing engineers to delegate data across a few applications. Nucypher is an Ethereum-based network that includes a decentralized key administration framework, encryption, and access control administration that settle the issues of putting away and controlling data. The ventures, for example, banking and medical care areas that arrangement with an enormous volume of subtleties influence the benefits of Nucypher security encryption frameworks. Elements of Nucypher organization. Nucypher was shaped to determine the issues of public key encryption frameworks. Like the SSL/TLS in web applications, Nucypher is turning into an unavoidable piece of decentralized applications. Nucypher convention predominantly includes three significant components. Staker, first and foremost, hubs in which Nu can be secured in the marking escrow for a span. The locking of Nu will create two sorts of remunerations, expansion reward Nu and strategy reward ETH. Also, the specialist hub called Ursula helps hold cryptographic tasks. At last, Umbrel intermediary re-encryption, a key encryption type, gives access control to dispersed conventions. Together the organization jelly data from assaults and spamming. Nucypher specialized examination. The authentic value outline of Nucypher is fascinating. Nucypher took off essentially on October 15, 2021, on the event of the primary commemoration of the coin. The consolidation news from the group reinforced the flood. The white paper of Nucypher was distributed in 2017, and the token began exchange in 2020. After the new cost flood, the market valuation of the coin climbed multiple billion USD, and it was a similar period altcoin market cap contacted around $2 billion. Besides, after this Nucypher cost made a spike, the interest for new coins in the digital money market expanded. Financial backers are pondering the purpose for the Nucypher cryptographic money rush. The new cost activity had occurred around the same time when the coin was recorded with Upbit, one of the renowned cryptographic money trades in Korea. Nucypher cost today is exchanging at $0.4875 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $46,651,755.09. The market cap is $342,736,514.25, with a flowing inventory of 703 million Nu. The everything time high is set apart at $3.58. Coin market cap, on October 15, 2021. The unequaled low is $0.0611, which was on November 2020. The ongoing cost is around 79%, not exactly the most exorbitant cost, and it is because of the selling tension after the untouched high. Overflowing interest has gradually gone to a pullback in costs. The present cost and volume plunged contrasted with the earlier days. Specialized examination of Nucypher Nu shows that, following 1 year of sideways moves, Nu has abruptly soared and was moved by enormous volume in October. The candle's initial cost of Nucypher was $0.28135, and the end cost of Nucypher was $1.407. Much more, October 2021 was the month when the BTC and altcoin market was extra strong, and the crypto market saw a colossal market cap appreciation. Accordingly, many coins heightened to a record-breaking high. Nucypher Nu cost uncovered a disappearing negative force on the day-to-day outline by making more promising low points. There is a diving design in the pattern line, as displayed in the diagrams. Nucypher cost has stayed driven by regrettable feelings throughout the previous 2 months, debilitating the pattern. However, financial backers have trust for the coin's future. They haven't begun amassing the symbolic now because of the new cost sink. Specialized examination demonstrates Nucypher Nu settled beneath the center line of the Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band is pressing. On equilibrium volume pointer was in a downtrend, it has moved evenly for the last week. The distinction between the opening and shutting new cost of the flame is exceptionally low and exchanging volume close. As a matter of fact, swing merchants are likewise losing interest in Nucypher new. At the hour of composing, new exchanged on the turn. Quick help is put at $0.442, and any Nucypher cost drop from this might look for help at $0.425. Beneath $0.425, dealers can sell Nucypher, and it will contact $0.394. On the opposite side, close by obstruction is put at $0.550, and there is an obstruction after that at $0.700. The significant opposition is put at $0.801. Subsequent to dissecting the significant specialized pointers, MACD is attempting to cross the sign line, however has not affirmed any heading. RSI is 56.41. The ongoing cost is over 20 EMA and the ongoing cost is under 50 EMA and 200 EMA. According to our Nucypher conjecture, a drawn-out expansion in the worth is expected. The cost estimate for the year 2027 recommends the worth may be around $1.990. Putting resources into new virtual monetary forms could turn out to be an extraordinary expansion to your portfolio. In a 5-year conjecture according to our examination and expectations, the most extreme cost is supposed to be $8.69 with a base exchanging esteem, and the typical exchanging cost to be roughly $7.14 and $7.35. Nucypher has a great deal of potential for bringing in cash. The cost won't fall according to the conjectures. The most extreme cost is expected to be $14.836 in a 5-year estimate. According to TNL's Nucypher gauges, the greatest cost for 2022 will be 64 cents with a typical cost of 58 cents. The transient Nucypher cost forecast looks bullish. Nucypher value forecast 2022. Nucoin value forecast is expected to start at 80 cents. The future cost might tumble to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022. Thus, the typical cost is anticipated at 63 cents. Nucypher coin forecast 2023. Nucypher crypto cost forecast guess beginning at 70 cents. New value forecast is step by step going up and is supposed to hit 87 cents inside the primary quarter. Nucypher coin cost forecast predict an end at 74 cents constantly end. Nucypher value forecast 2024. Nucypher forecasts are expected to open at 85 cents and proceed with the earlier year's pattern. The year's underlying half might show a delayed vertical development and is supposed to cross $1.05 by the principal half. The cost will again tumble to 73 cents toward the finish of 2024.